Hey guys, welcome back to the Enoylity Tech. It's Milind over here. Most of you guys know me, but there are few new members in the family as well. So just for them, you may have probably seen some amazing concept trailers like this, or probably some review videos also on our channel, Enoylity Technology. So I am one of the concept creators guys in my team, and basically we create concept on this channel and the tech reviews as well. So you somehow subscribe to this channel by watching some of our concept trailer videos, or probably by watching any of our review videos also. So you are really welcome to our channel, and thank you so very much for being a part of this big family, which is right now of more than 216,000 loving people guys. So that is just my introduction, and right now here is something special guys. It's been a while since we had crossed 100,000 subscribers. It's more than 1.5 months. So guys, we have just received this package from YouTube, and it has the silver play button. So this is that precious thing of endeavor, the support and the love guys, which you have given to this channel to reach this big milestone. So really a very big thank you first of all to each and every single subscriber to this channel, and also a very big thank you to each and every single viewer. No matter you have subscribed or not, but if you have watched this channel, if you have watched any of the content on this channel, then thank you so very much guys for your precious love and support to us. Let's unbox this precious thing of love from YouTube, and let's celebrate this thing together. Let's jump on to the unboxing.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, here we have our silver play button. I can't explain that how much shiny it is. Actually, it is reflecting the studio lights. The thing is that it is actually the silver. YouTube has upgraded their design for their silver play button, so now it looks more like a silver play button, and is really looking very cool guys. I'm really very thankful with my whole team to each and every one of you guys for supporting this channel and leading this channel to this big milestone. So thank you, and lots of love to each and everyone guys. One more thing guys, with this amazing silver play button, I found one more thing. This is actually that. This is a message from the YouTube CEO, respected ma'am Suzanne Wojcicki. Let me read this thing for you guys. So they have actually written, "You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we had liked to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, you do it because you have a drive to create and share. And because you have found an audience who cares, believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think. And we are rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Suzanne Wojcicki, CEO YouTube. So thank you so very much, ma'am, for your precious words, and we are really thankful to you as well as the whole YouTube team for supporting us in each and every point regarding the channel and the content creation stuff as well. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you to each and everyone as well, guys, for watching and checking out this silver play button unboxing. This wasn't possible, guys, without you. We really love you all and hope to reach more milestone, more cool stuffs, and in the future, I'm not getting what exactly I should say because this is something that is really of a very big happiness moment. So I just want to say love you all, guys. Love you, each and every subscriber, each and every viewer, and thank you so very much for your precious love and support from me and my team to you and your family. With this, just wrapping up, guys, thank you so very much once again for your precious love and support. I will catch you tomorrow with an amazing iPhone 11 update or probably with an amazing iPhone 11 trailer as well. This was Milind, guys, from Enoylity Team. Thank you so very much for this precious love. This belongs to all of us. So thank you to each and everyone, and also love you each and everyone. Thank you so very much, guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.